Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Everrange community located in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at a model home by Riverside Homes here in the Mariposa neighborhood. This is the Atlas floor plan. It's a two-story floor plan that features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,149 square feet. This home would sit on a 40-foot home site. Let's take a look inside. Here we're walking into a 2-story foyer. We're going to continue our tour here to the right into a powder bath. Now this floor plan is located in the new Everrange community here in Jacksonville, Florida. There's opportunity to build from ground up if you would like to customize your home, whether that's structural options or in the design center. You can choose different styles of countertops, flooring, backsplash, upgrade to a gourmet kitchen as shown here, where you have the microwave oven combo, designer hood vent, in and under cabinet lighting with the 5-burner cooktop. Here you have the single bowl sink with a gooseneck faucet. Here's the pantry, wraps into a storage area. Straight ahead is the laundry room. There's some cabinetry in here. Now if you're looking for a faster time frame for your move, there is opportunity here in the Mariposa neighborhood to purchase a home that's already under construction. Now I do not work for the builder, but can assist you in the new construction process if you're looking to build from ground up, or as I was just mentioning, if you're looking for a home that's already under construction or completed. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. Here we have what is noted as a cafe on the floor plan. There is an option to add double doors here and turn it into a flex/study space. Here we have the dining area. Living room over here. Next we have the owner's suite, and the owner's suite is located on the first floor and the other bedrooms are located on the second floor. This model shows the optional sitting structural option where it pushes out this space, adding about 37 square feet. This model also features a tray ceiling. This bedroom is approximately 15 feet with 4 inches by 12 feet. Here's the owner's bath. This is a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. 2 transom windows there. Water closet over here, and then the walk-in closet. So on the first floor you're going to have 9-foot ceilings, and on the second floor will be 8-foot ceilings. Here we have the stairs, wooden stairs and wooden railing. Now the model home will feature lots of upgrades, which will give you an idea of the design selections that are available at the design center. And here's the loft featuring the optional tray ceiling. And this loft area is approximately 16 feet by 10 feet, 7 inches. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 has 12 feet with 8 inches by 11 feet 2 inches. Walking over to bedroom 3. This bedroom features 11 feet with 4 inches by 11 feet 11 inches. Here's the closet. Nice sized closet in bedroom 3 and 4. Now there is a structural option to have a ensuite bathroom in bedroom 2. Here's the shared bathroom upstairs. This one features a shower tub combo. Linen closet. You can store some movies, games. If you're making the loft area into a game room. Mechanical room, and then here's bedroom 4. Bedroom 4's closet. And here is bedroom 4. Features 11 feet 2 inches by 11 feet 11 inches. And this model features a structural option that includes an ensuite bathroom in bedroom 4. Now the standard is just the bedroom with the closet. And then we walk back into the loft area. And then lastly, we have the covered lanai. Now this model does feature the extended covered lanai. This is a structural option.
If you're interested in knowing more about Riverside Homes, the Everett Range community here in Jacksonville, Florida, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.